Hello, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today I just want to do a quick little walkthrough on this 2016 Chaparral Sunesta 224. It does have the radio controls in the rear, as well as a transom shower and a shower up at the bow as well. And we've got swim ladder right here, flip up cleats, you've got your gas tank right here. I do love this walkthrough, that way you're not stepping on furniture. And it is powered by a Volvo Penta engine. It is a V8 with 270 horsepower, which is in here. So what I do love about it being stern drive is with the engine being here, you do pick up all this space on the swim platform. The lounger is collapsible, so this does lay flat. You have stainless steel cup holders all throughout. Nice little sink here as well. Your battery on and off switch is in here. Plenty of storage all throughout. You've got a little cooler underneath here as well. Ski locker area for additional storage. Nice little dual helm area with the bolstered seats. And this is also a head compartment as well, so you can use the bathroom while you're on board as well. Really nice, comfortable helm area. You've got the Garmin up here, depth finder, and this boat only has like 265 hours on it, so very low hours. Really good bimini shade space. And up front, we do have the bow filler cushion, which you can either keep in or flip out if you wanted to. And again, tremendous amount of storage underneath all the seats. And you have the bow shower here, as well as the ladder, so you can get on and off up here as well. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any other on our website, feel free to give us a shout. Our phone number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.